Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable quick launch on Redmi A3 Pro. To enable quick launch, go to settings, then go to additional settings, gesture shortcuts, and now launch camera. And here you can set either double press volume down when the screen is locked, or double press the power button. I'm gonna enable both of those and show you how they work. When double press the power button is enabled, then in any state, so it doesn't matter if your phone is locked or unlocked, you can double press on the power button to open the camera app. If you have double press volume down when the screen is locked set, then when you lock your screen and double press on volume down, it will open the camera app. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.